Okay, if you want to radiate health and vitality, then a regular and intentional movement practice has to be a part of your lifestyle. That's just physiology. And then, of course, your nutrition needs to support your health. And if it's not doing that, then you've got to make some adjustments so that it does. But that's not all you need. Humans are both simple and complicated. We're complicated in the sense that we're not just math equations, we're not machines. We aren't just molecules and chemical reactions. Sometimes the inputs we need don't make sense from a purely physical perspective because there are elements to us that are not material in nature, but they still have profound effects on us physically. And as important as training and nutrition are, it's equally important to understand that they cannot give you everything when it comes to your health and vitality, at least not directly. So while we may be complicated in the sense that we are not reducible to just molecules and chemical reactions, we're simple in the sense that those other non-physical things that we need to fully express health and vitality, those are not complicated at all. Social connections, gratitude, a sense of purpose, our relationships and connections to those around us, they're invisible and there's no lab work or blood test to measure them, but they're as much a part of us as anything physical. So if you're celebrating the holiday season, of course, eat well and get some movement in for sure, but do it with good company. Relax, have fun, and enjoy your friends and family, and try not to stress about training and diet. Just let yourself fully appreciate the fun moments that you get to share and the memories that you get to make with the people you care about. And it might seem like you get to do this forever, but remember that you only get so many of these opportunities in your life. So just enjoy them. And try to remind yourself to be grateful for what you have and think about how you can more fully take that spirit with you into everyday life. So do those things, and not only will they positively impact your physical health and wellness, but they will strengthen dimensions within you that cannot be touched by the physical. So enjoy the holidays, and whether you're celebrating or not, hopefully there's something positive you can take away from this one. So best wishes to you all. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.